Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to print a large sheet in Excel. As you can see here, when I press Ctrl P or go to print this, as you can see, I have just 4 columns on the page. But by the way, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. So to avoid this, so click here. As you can see here, I have 2 lines in the middle. So take this one to this place. As you can see, I have now 2 pages. The same way, drag this line to the side. Now I have 1 page, as you can see. All right. Now click on print or press Ctrl P. As you can see here, all the large sheet in 1 page. So go to portrait orientation and choose landscape orientation. Then go to page setup and margins and choose horizontally and vertically. Here is the results. Now I have